Hi there! Welcome to the mentor training of NeuroMatch and Climate Match Impact Scholars program. My name is Hilal, and with Rika, we are going to facilitate the mentor training sessions on the 8th and 10th of October. In this video, I'd like to cover what you can expect from this training, which is based on Marcel Ace's Mentor Development Workshop, and make a little introduction on what mentorship is, as well as what our aims are. Then it will be your turn to think and come up with some questions and answers to our first session. This way, you will get a sense of the flow of our workshop and can get prepared beforehand. So, let's start. First and foremost, congratulations. And thank you for being a mentor in the Impact Scholars program. With this training, your 6 months long journey with our successful scholars is about to start. As experienced professionals, your role will be to guide, teach, train and support our scholars to achieve their goals in this limited time. We have tried our best to match the scholars' proposals with the most relevant mentor. Therefore, your theoretical and practical skills on the research project at hand is of great value. But keep in mind that our overarching goal is to cultivate a positive experience for both yourself and your mentees. Okay, before going any further, let's go over what mentorship really is. By definition, mentorship is a professional working alliance in which individuals work together over time to support each other's personal and professional growth, development, and success through career and psychosocial support. Alright, now let's digest and think about this definition. Which part of this sentence do you think is the most important part of mentorship? And if you were to come up with another definition, what would that be? Please rewind if necessary and think over this part for a minute or two. We will be asking this question at the start of our workshop to hear your thoughts. And with that, the first homework is assigned. On the first day, in addition to covering what mentorship is, we are also going to focus on questions like what is effective mentorship and what are the barriers to achieve it. We will then discuss the roles of a mentor and identify SMART goals and think about a mentoring strategy based on online communication to be discussed in breakout rooms. Here is your second homework. As you must already know, our program is fully online. Thus, online communication practice is of great importance for this mentorship. Before going on with the first day of your training, please think over your previous online communication experience and share us your tips, tricks, as well as your concerns and questions to us. What would your plan be for better online communication? Later, we will have a look at learning and cover key psychosocial factors in mentoring experience. Have you ever thought about your sense of belonging or ever heard of self-efficacy and science identity? Try to reflect on what these mean to you and bring your stories to the training to share with us. On the second day, we will dive into two big topics: culturally responsive mentorship and mentorship plan development. We will start the day by reflecting on evaluation of one's own prejudices, biases, and attitudes as mentors, in addition to validation of mentees' experience in relation to their cultural history, identity, and worldview. We will end this session by creating an unbiased mentorship program and strategy based on our previous and possible future mentorship successes and challenges. You will also receive a mentorship program template and self-evaluation forms for further guidance. Logistics and technical details. Your active participation will be key during the training, and we encourage you to turn on your cameras and engage in small or large group discussions. Please let us know beforehand if you have any technical or personal issues that may affect your participation. Remember, on the first day, we will be discussing what mentorship means to you and your reflection on online communication experiences. If necessary, watch the video again and take your notes. We are looking forward to hearing your stories, and don't forget to fill out the pre-training survey through this QR code and link. Thanks for watching this video. We are looking forward to seeing you all, and until then, take care.